Hi, fourth graders. Happy Wednesday. Hope you're having a great day. We are going to continue learning about electricity with some more interesting forms of electricity. All right. So the first one I want to talk about are electric eels. So this is an underwater animal that actually has electricity within its body. So these animals are found in South America. They have special cells. Remember, our every living thing is made up of tiny little cells. So they have special cells in their bodies, and they have chemicals, kind of like a battery. And when the eel feels threatened, so when he feels like he might get hurt, when he needs to get food, the cells will release energy and they shock the animal that's near it. And it's actually 5 times the strength of an outlet. So if you've ever been shocked by an outlet on accident, this eel has a strength 5 times that. So these eels are super powerful. They use electricity and energy to survive. They use it as an adaptation. They can harm their predators with it, and they can also use it to get food. These are wind farms, and these wind turbines or windmills, they produce energy. So they are big blades. They're attached to those tall towers. So here's the tower, and then these are the 3 blades. When the wind moves, energy is produced. So as you can see down here, these windmills are attached to some technology that takes the energy from the wind, and we can actually change that, convert it into electricity. So this is a great option. It's a way for us to get energy without using up all of our resources that are found in the ground and around the earth. Solar panels are another natural resource that we can use electricity for. So solar panels collect energy from the sun, and this can be used as heat energy, or it can change it into electricity. You might see also in calculators, there's a tiny little strip of these at the top, or wristwatches often have them too. So some things are already powered by solar energy. These are becoming more and more popular, and hopefully soon we'll be able to have them all over. The problem is, in Syracuse, it's not always sunny. So places like California, Florida, tropical areas, this would be a great resource because the sun is free and it's always there. So why not collect energy from it? And another way we collect energy is from water, and this is called hydroelectric. That prefix hydro means water. And this is electricity made from moving water. An example is the Hoover Dam, and it is a hydroelectric power plant, and it helps to give electricity to 1.3 million people every year. This isn't the Hoover Dam, I don't think, but this is an example of hydroelectric power at work. So they are taking this moving water right here, and as it goes through these sections, look how fast that water is going. It's almost like a waterfall. And these tools up here are collecting that energy, and we are able to turn that into electricity, which is really cool. So why are we using these other resources? Why don't we just continue to use the normal resources we've always been using? Energy we get from the wind, sun, and water is renewable. This means it doesn't run out. We can use it forever to get energy. Now, water may run out at some point. Is it likely in the near future? No. But the wind and the sun, that's not going to run out. If the sun is not here, then we are not here. So to use that energy from things that are just in our atmosphere, in our environment, is really smart. Okay, let's see our questions today. So you really got to use this PowerPoint. All of your answers are here. Go back and find them. Number 1, where are electric eels found? Number 2, how do the electric eels produce electricity? What do they have in their body that lets them do this? Number 3, why would the eel use its electric power? What does it use it for? 4, true or false, eels are stronger than an electric outlet. 5, when we attach big blades to tall towers, which type of energy are we using? 6, where do we get solar energy from? 7, where do we get hydroelectric energy from? And 8, why would we use the sun, wind, and water for electricity? If you have any questions, I'm on Zoom every day 2 to 4. There's a teacher on all day long, so give us a call. We're here for you. Hope you guys have a great day, and we will see you tomorrow. Goodbye, Adams.